Welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I'll be showing us how to add funds on the platform. So, where you have your account balance, you select Add Funds, or you can use the dashboard menu. Click on Payments, then select Add Funds. So either ways, it will bring you to this page where we have three options on how to go about it. The first option is via P2P network. The second option is via payment network. And the third option is via buying crypto using your bank cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Cash App, or bank transfers to fund your account with USD or your local currencies. This will take approximately 4 to 24 hours to reflect in your BananaCrystal account. So this is out of the option for now. It's not convenient, but if you want a fast and a swift payment method or to add funds to your account, your BananaCrystal account, you can either use the P2P. Let me show you what it looks like. You click on the link, it will take you to the P2P page where you add funds. Then first of all, you search for a buy offer. Then you make the transactions and you receive your payment in your BananaCrystal account. Then you click on Add Funds. It will take you to our P2P page where you see list of advertisers. This means that brokers have set their offers and you have to do your due diligence and engage with the best broker for you for whatever you have to offer. And you click on the buy USD to continue the process, and that's how you fund your account with the P2P method. The next option is to add funds via payment network. Click on this. To receive payments, it's important to inform the sender that you can only receive sender POS on this account, on this address. All right, always inform the sender that you can only receive sender POS USDT on this address to avoid irreversible loss of funds. This is the one in here. Only send Tether POS USDT to this address. Using this address for another blockchain or other coin or token will result in irreversible loss of your funds. Please always check with your sending party that the blockchain is Polygon network and the cryptocurrency is Tether POS USDT. Click on copy, or you scan the blockchain QR code and send the details you have on your phone to the sender. And that is how you add funds to your account. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.